I'm the final year student of BTech. I'm doing my BTech in communication, and right now we all are seeing that our youth is going towards the Western culture, and Western culture just spoiling our youth. Because we know nowadays, students celebrating Valentine's Day, that is just the effect of Western culture. But personally, I don't believe in Valentine's Day, because I thought that that is just a day which is celebrating in the Western culture. But I was thinking that what we have to celebrate instead of the Valentine's Day. Then I go through a newspaper that is published in the ashram. There I read about the day that is Matra Pitru Pujan Divas. That means we have to celebrate the day with our parents. We have to worship them. Of course, our parents are our first love. We have to show our love for them. And of course, they teach us. They are our teacher. So why not to celebrate a day with them? So I think that is a good idea, that we have to celebrate the whole day with our parents. Of course, our parents, we have to worship them regularly. But that is day which is celebrated in Western culture as a Valentine Day. In that day, people generally show their love for the boyfriend, for their girlfriend, but I believe that our boyfriend, our girlfriend are our parents. So we have to celebrate our love for them. We have to show our love for them. And of course, I believe that whatever Babuji said in the newspaper, I completely believe in that. And I think that is a good idea. And of course, we are nowadays we are seeing that what Western culture just given us what? They are giving us, we can say like rape cases and all that, the crime in our society. But we have to follow the good things. We have to we have to find our culture. We are Indians and we have to follow our values, our customs and our traditions. We not have to just go through with the Western culture, because Western culture just spoiling us. They take us to the path where we will find only the darkness and nothing else. So I believe that we should stand strongly with our culture, with our Indian traditions and customs. And of course I believe that Valentine is a completely bad idea, and of course we have to follow a day for our parents, and that they are our first love, and of course we have to show that love just for them. And according to me, I'll celebrate that day on 14th of Feb for my parents. I'll worship them, and of course I'll like to wish them. That's it.
वैलेंटाइन डे ला है तुझे मैं इंग्लिश में बैठा दे रही है पूरा माहौल बनाओ ससुराल राहुल हां जी सारे क्या कर रहे पहले मुझे मरे जा दो जेब हाथ काट दो यार सारे जेब हाथ काट लो यार